I don't think these birdies like you. Oh, you can see the robin up there. I think it's a robin. Are we getting too close to your nest? Or are you protecting the bees? There's some nice, there's gum trees and there's maples in here and some cedars. And the cedars are pretty old. I'm not sure what that is. Huh. It's amazing, like, you know, all this growth in here. You know, you have these cliffs, but they're completely obscured by all this growth. So I'm always like looking, so you're looking for like holes, and I can see bees around somewhere. They're flying in here. Look at that old snag there. But there's no bees in there. I know, don't worry. We're not gonna hurt you or your nest. Oh, you bugger. Oh my God, look at that. Look, up there. See that? It's like those birds are protect. See that there's a nest. Yeah. Holy sh! How do I get up in there? That's funny. It's like these birds are like protecting. You actually alerted me. Oh, that is a nest. Whoa! Oh, I'm so. Oh, holy crap! Wow! Oh my God, it is. What kind of tree is that? Is that a maple or? Oh Lord, I can't, I'm just so, oh, I'm so grateful. And I can see like, see the dark, there's darkness around the entrance. I mean, it's not, I don't see that it's heavily propolized. Okay, I'm going to have to come back here. Oh, I've got a tripod. Let me do that. All right, I got the tripod so you can get a steady. A steady shot. The birdies are going nuts. That is so cool. So what I'll do now is put up swarm boxes around here for swarming season next year, and then move those into logs. Okay, I'm going to keep on looking for more nests here. Dingle, come.